Hello, welcome on supported.com channel. My name is Natalie, and I will be your private assistant during this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create function module in SAP using SE37. Before you start, make sure all following prerequisites are met. The function modules are very common used artifact in SAP. Despite the fact that most of the new development in classic ABAP is carried out with the object-oriented approach, there are still areas that cannot be implemented without the use of a functional module, for example RFC or some types of extensions. Are you ready? Let's start having fun with SAP. Step 1. Go to Transaction SE37, ABAP Function Modules. Put SE37 in the command field and hit Enter. Step 2. In Function Module field, put name of function module, for example, C_FM_add. Keep in mind that most of SAP ABAP artifacts need to start with C or Y letter. Step 3. Click on Create button. Step 4. In Create Function Module pop-up, fill function group, for example, C_FG_arithmetic. Function group need to be first created. You also need to fill short text, which is just simple description of your function module. Step 5. Click on Save button. Step 6. Our function will add two integer. We need to create two import parameters x and y. Fill typing as type and associated type as int4. Step 7. Go to Export tab and fill export parameters. In parameter name, put result. In typing, put type, and in associated type, put int4. Step 8. Now go to Source Code tab and put code as on screen. Step 9. Click on Save button and then on Activate button. Step 10. Our function is ready and active. Now we can test it. Click on Test button. Step 11. Fill x and y parameters, for example with values 5 and 12. Step 12. Click on Execute button and check values in result parameter. We are done. Good job. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, support our channel and click on like and subscribe button. For more SAP tutorials, visit supported.com.